Okay, so third type of the instructions for coprocessor are the comparison group. Already we have seen the first two groups, that is the data transfer group and the arithmetic instructions type of the group. Now the third type of instructions comes called as the compare group. Here the comparison instructions will be performed. So the first instruction is fcom. Now already in our previous videos we have seen that all the instructions of the 80387 starts from a letter f, that is starts from a fraction number or a floating point number. So always the 80387 works on the real data type. So fcom instruction is nothing but to compare. The instructions comes in the syntax, that is fcom source. It has only one operand, that is the source. It compares the real number which is present in the source. So it compares whatever is given in the source with the top of stack. So compare top of stack with the source operands. The second instruction comes, that is called as the fcomp, that is compare and then pop. Compare real and then pop. fcom source is the syntax. You have to compare the source with the top of stack provided. So top of stack and the source will be compared with each other, and after the comparison this top of stack will be popped out, and for pop operation this p will be there. So fcomp is the second instruction, that is compare and then pop. Next, the third instruction is fcomp pp, that is compare and pop twice, that is compare real and pop twice. That is it will compare the top of stack with the next element. This instruction comes with the no operand, so it will compare in a manner like, if this is your top of stack on a stack, then it will compare the top of stack with the next, that is stack of one element, and then after the comparison it will pop top of stack also, and it will pop the st of 1, because it is going to pop twice, and that's why it is the pp, that is the fcom pp. Next instruction is ficom, that is the integer comparison. So to do the integer comparison, first you have to convert the integer number into the real number, as the 80387 only compares the real number, and after the conversion then it will compare the given source along with the top of stack. So it will compare the top of stack and the source. Then the next instruction is ficom, that is the integer comparison, and then pop. It will be same like fcom p, that is first convert integer number into the real, then compare, and then pop only once, that is the top of stack will be popped. Next instruction will be fist, that is the test instruction. It compares the top of stack and set conditions along same wise. Like with in SWOT, FIST instruction comes with a syntax that will have no operand. So without operand this instruction is there. Now it will set accordingly the condition codes. We know that 4 condition codes are there. We have already seen the condition codes in the here in topic status register. We have C0, C1, C2 and C3. 4 condition codes are there. Now these condition codes are used to set one of the condition, like the flag conditions, whether it is greater than or parity is there or zero flag is there or sign is there likewise. So for example, the C0, C1, C2 and C3 will have the combination of 4 binary numbers. So if the C0 to C3 combination will be 0 0 0 0, then for example the condition will be set like the top of stack is greater than the source. If the condition code combination will be 0 0 0 1, then the condition will be like st top of stack will be less than source, and likewise the 15 conditions will be there. The next instruction is fexam, that is examine. This instruction also comes with no operand. This instruction examines the contents of top of stack, and accordingly it will set the top of stack. Next group is there. This group is called as the transcendental instructions, or you can call it as the trigonometric instruction. All instruction under this will comes with the no operand. It will have a 0 operand, only the opcode will be there. Now as we know that the coprocessor is used to perform the complex arithmetic operations. One of the complex arithmetic operation is the trigonometric or the transcendental operations. So the first instruction here is f2xm1, that is it calculates 2 raised to x power 1. fyl2xp1, it stands for y into L stands for log, x, p stands for plus 1 to the base 2. So we can write the formula like in this way, y into log of x plus 1 to the base 2. Same we can have y into log of x to the base 2. Next instruction we can have, that is the f tan, that is to calculate the partial tangent, and the next instruction we can have, that is the to calculate the partial arc tangent.